Okay, after stomach, we are going to discuss about what small intestine. Very important part of the digestive system. Okay, if you observe the small intestine, the name is small intestine, but actually the small intestine size is what? Approximately 7 meters. Just you have to think how much long this is. That means if you observe the stomach, especially for stomach is the sac-like structure, the partially digest the end stomach, whatever food kind enter into the small intestine. Okay, this small intestine, the first part of the small intestine we can call duodenum. Duodenum, duodenum, which is U-shaped structure. This duodenum, in this duodenum, okay, and duodenum, small intestine, and second one, jejunum, and third one is what? Ileum. There are the three parts in small intestine. Especially for it is a small intestine is coiled. Coiled means what? It is a coiled folding. Lot of foldings is there. And the first part is called duodenum. Second part is jejunum. Third part is ileum. That means small intestine divided into three parts. Okay, duodenum, which is U-shaped structure. Second one are jejunum. After jejunum, third part is ileum. Totally, it is the 7 meters long. It is having in 7 meters long, but 7 meters not part. So that it is a coiled. Okay, coiled. Lot of foldings is there inside. And total, the process of digestion completes in small intestine. If you observe the small intestine, in duodenum, one side the duct attached with what? Especially largest gland, that is we can call liver. The liver attached with open into what? Especially what we call this is a duodenum. And other side pancreas, which is the leaf-like structure, the pancreas. The pancreas releasing pancreatic juice. Okay, try to remember pancreatic juice into small intestine. Into small intestine. Okay, in pancreatic juice, what are the enzymes are present in pancreatic juice? Trypsin, which is useful to digest the proteins. Lipase, which is useful to digest the what? Emulsified fats. And trypsin, lipase, amylase. Already we know amylase, which is useful for digestion of carbohydrates. Remember, in pancreatic juice released by pancreas, which is the leaf-like structure, we can call pancreas. The pancreas and liver both are open into the duodenum with one duct. The duct name is hepatopancreatic duct. I will write here. Pancreatic duct. Hepato means liver, pancreatic means pancreas. Both are connected with one place and both are open into duodenum. Okay, so that's separately. You have to draw here. This is duodenum. Okay, this is the pancreas. For example, this is liver. For example, only the liver, gallbladder. The gallbladder duct is open into both ducts are open in one place, connected with both are connected. The ducts open into duodenum. Okay, this duct we can call hepatopancreatic duct. Hepato means liver, pancreatic means what? Pancreas. Both are open into hepatopancreatic duct. If pancreas, this leaf-like structure, the pancreas, it is releasing what? Pancreatic juice. In pancreatic juice, three types of enzymes: trypsin, lipase, amylase. That means, and the liver, very important. The liver we can call, this is the liver. Focus here. Liver, this is the largest gland in human being. This liver is releasing what? It releasing what? Bile juice. What we call bile juice. Bile pigment. What is that one? Yellowish pigment. This bile is useful for emulsification. What is the meaning of emulsification? Which are fats or large molecule. Okay, it broke down the large molecule, whatever fats is that, it is cutting into small pieces. This what bile juice is useful to cutting down into small pieces. What it cut down? Fats. What fats are the complex one? It is cutting into small pieces by bile juice. Bile juice is not enzyme. It is a pigment, yellowish pigment, which is released by liver. The bile juice, it is useful for emulsification, to cutting into small pieces. Whatever fat globules is there for large molecules are cutting into small pieces by bile juice. That is we can call emulsification. Okay. Now whatever bile juice, pancreatic juice, both are enter into the small intestine. In small intestine, what happens? Carbohydrates are converted into glucose. Fats are converted into fatty acids or glycerol. Fatty acid or glycerol. And also next one, what carbohydrate fats, proteins are converted into amino acids. Amino acids. These are the complex molecules convert into simple molecule. That is we can call digestion. That means the total digestion process is complete in small intestine. One more important point about that one, small intestine. Small intestine, okay, just we have to focus here. Okay, become this way. For small intestine, which are herbivorous. Herbivorous means what? Which eats only plants. In herbivorous, small intestine size is big. Small intestine size is big. Why? Because small intestine. In carnivorous means what? Animals, tiger like. Carnivorous, small intestine size is small. Small intestine size is small. Why? Because what this difference is? In herbivorous, what will be happen? Small intestine, actually herbivorous, it is having cellulose. The food consists of what? Cellulose. Cellulose is a very complex molecule. It will take long time for digestion, so that small intestine size is big. In carnivorous, they are eating what? Especially for flesh. In that cellulose, no cellulose. Okay, so that their small intestine size is what? Small. Okay, try to remember, this is a very important. After what will be happen? Whatever undigested food materials are enter into the large intestine. Large intestine divided into three parts. One part, okay, here, this part we can call cecum, and cecum attached with what? Appendix, which is the waste organ in our body, and cecum, ascending colon, descending colon, and rectum, anus, which are undigested food material, and enter into the large intestine, and water and reabsorb. Again, large intestine useful to reabsorb the water, and undigested food materials are enter into the large intestine through with rectum, and it is sending outside the body. Okay, next class I will give one chart for you about what type of enzymes are released in which part. Okay, I will give chart. Okay, thank you.